All right. So here is the assignment. When you log in, it should look like this should be the first one. So in the first slide, pretty much is showing you is when you hit the launch button, these marbles should collect all of your stars. When you go to slide 2, see how there's now a red line here, and that red line is this equation y equals x. Well, now when I hit the launch button, my marbles go along the line I created to collect the stars. So when I move on to slide 3, this is where you, the student, need to create the equation. So I'm going to do these first two creating equations with you. The rest you are going to do on your own. So looking at my stars here, they actually can help me with creating my equations. So this star is just above the -2. So on my y-axis above the -2, I'm going to say that my y-intercept is -2. So y is -2 for my y-intercept. Then I need to figure out my movements, right, to get from one star to the next. And remember, you read graphs from left to right. So starting at my y-intercept, how much does it take, or what's my movements to get to this next star? Well, I can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write that out. I'm going to say right 4, up 4. And that is all I need to write my equation. So I have y equals up 4 is the top of my fraction. Then I hit the question mark button to get my fraction bar. Right 4 is a positive thing, and that's the bottom of my fraction. And I'm going to put an x here, okay, because that is my movement. I will continue to do that movement. I'm doing that movement every time, so that's where my x goes. My y-intercept, we said, was -2, so I'm going to type that in as -2. And now see how my blue line, let's see if I launch and get all my marbles. All my stars. There we go, we have success. Now one thing I want you to notice is we can rewrite the fraction 4 over 4 as y equals 1x minus 2. 4 over 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. And see how it overlaps the blue line? It's still the same and it's still successful. Let's go to go to slide 4 here. So now we have our stars in other places. So we got to figure out what our y-intercept is. And in this case, my star is just above this number 2. So I'm going to say that my y-intercept is 2. Then I need to figure out my movements. And again, we read graphs from left to right. So I'm going to start with this star down here and count how much it takes to get to this star here. So I can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So I said up 4, right 4. So when I write my equation, y equals, up 4 is the top of my fraction, right 4 is the bottom of my fraction. They're both positive things. And because they're my movement, I'm going to put my x next to that. Then my y is 2, and it's a positive 2. So I can't just do 2 like this, right? Or 2 like, that's not how it goes. It's got to show positive 2. It's got to be plus or minus. So we have a plus 2. It looks like when I launch, I collect all my stars. And again, 4 over 4 can be rewritten as y equals 1x plus 2, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. And see how that green line overlaps? We're golden. All right, you're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on your own. 10, you need to make 2 lines. So one line to hit these 2 stars, and then another line that hits these stars. 11, you're going to make a line that hits these 3 stars and another line that hits these 2 stars. And that's all we did. We only went up to 11. So good luck. If you need help during a makeup day, let me know. But have a good one.